Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Ryobi 18V 1 impact driver. Now I just got the bare tool, so it didn't come in a box, so I want you to be able to see exactly what you get when you order it this way. So we're going to go ahead and open it up here, get it out, and it comes in a little plastic package here, and I'm going to open that up. And it comes with a piece of cardboard, so it is protected just a little bit there. And move this stuff out of the way. And right here is my driver. I think it's pretty sharp. And a couple things. It comes with an extra bit, which the one thing I like about this is it fits right up in front here and it's easy to grab. This one does not come with a battery or a box, anything really, but I do have a battery here, and that's why I really like my Ryobi tools, is because I have a lot of them, so I can buy just the bare tool and use the 18 volt all the way around. So from here, basically, it has my light right here at the bottom, so I can see exactly what I'm screwing into here, and it's just a quick impact driver. And the little button right here allows you to go forward, switch it, and it's reverse, and then in the middle locks it so you're not using your battery up. And I really like the comfort grip here, and works well whether you're right or left-handed. I happen to be left-handed. And the reason I got this is I have a big project coming, and before I have a Ryobi drill, and I was drilling, take the drill bit out, and then put in the bit, and then have to put in the screws, and then take it out, and back and forth. This way, I have my impact driver here, I'll have my drill on the other side, have a battery in each, and it's gonna go much faster. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm happy the way it came in, and I look forward to putting it to use.